One of these properties is silently stealing your wealth every single year. The wrong choice could cost you 40 lakhs over 20 years. Today, we expose the truth that real estate agents never tell you. Appreciation and depreciation, two forces quietly fighting over your money. In one corner, the apartment flat. In the other, the open plot of land. Only one of these will make you truly wealthy, because what comes next will completely flip how you see property forever. When you buy a flat, you own the space inside four walls, not the land beneath it. That land is shared by every flat owner in the entire building. When you buy a plot, you own every single inch of that land forever. A building is like a machine, and every single day it gets older. Land was here before civilization. It will be here long after. Building ages, land doesn't. Changes everything about your returns. Income tax department agrees, officially recognize that buildings depreciate. And while the building ages, you pay to maintain it every single month. Depreciation is the silent killer of your flat's real value. 50 lakh coin slowly losing, 2.5 lakh chips falling every year. In 10 years, flat structure lost 25 lakhs real value. So why does your flat price go up in cities like Mumbai and Hyderabad? The land under the building appreciates. The building pulls it down. Appreciation minus depreciation equals real return. Your apartment flat is losing to inflation. After 25 to 30 years, many apartment buildings are structurally unsafe. Try selling a 20-year-old flat. Buyers vanish. Banks refuse full loans. An open plot has zero structural depreciation. None. Not a single rupee. Open plots actually multiply your money. 800 per square foot in 2015. Today, over 6,000 rupees. 10 lakh investment became 65 lakhs. In financial district, 300% to 400% appreciation in one decade. Land appreciates because population grows. Every metro line, highway, and airport adds directly to nearby plot values. Tech parks are the single biggest driver of plot appreciation. 100% of land price growth is 100% real profit. City flats, 10% CAGR. Open plots, 25% CAGR. Invest 10 lakhs in a flat versus a plot. Check the difference. Your grandchildren will still be able to sell that plot. Mark Twain said it, buy land. They are not making it anymore. Let's put this head to head. 8 parameters, 2 investments, 1 truth. Depreciation, flat 5% per year. Plot 0. Appreciation, flat 10%. Plot 25%. Flat maintenance 5 to 20,000 per month. Plot 0. Flat gets rental income. Plots rarely generate rent. How fast you can sell? Flat wins here too. Plot wins 5 parameters. Flat wins 3. But here is the thing. Context is everything in real estate. Your financial goal decides which investment is right for you. A well-located flat's rental income can offset your entire EMI. Want to live in a prime metro location? A flat gives you access. Planning to sell in 5 to 7 years in a hot micro market? Playing a 10 to 20 year wealth game will likely outperform everything. Near an upcoming metro, IT hub, you get 5 times in 8 years. Investors always hold both. Flat for income, plot for growth. Location research is everything. A flat gives you a lifestyle asset. A plot gives you a wealth asset. Depreciation is real, but investors turn this knowledge into power. Any investment that doesn't beat 6% inflation isn't building wealth. If we had to choose just one, a growth corridor plot wins every time. If this changed how you see real estate, smash that like. The 5 plot locations in India right now that could 3 times your money in 5 years. Simplify your investment with Buildnex Core LLP.